morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with our M5 Smartband. As we said before, this is a clone or a copy of the popular Smartband, the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. This time on our second review for the M5 Smartband, we're going to show you on how to install the support app for this one. So it uses the popular FitPro support app. So we're going to install the support app and let's connect the Smartband to the FitPro support app in the Android platform. Hopefully we will not encounter any issues, especially in the connection of the support app for the Smartband. Let's see if it's flawless or just smooth installation and connection synchronization of the M5 Smartband. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Smartband, the M5 Smartband, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so we have here the M5, and if you're going to install the support app for this one, it is available here in the support app, FitPro app. I think it's also available here in the menus of the Smartband. Go to this more or settings. You have your camera, anti-loss theme, reset, and we have here the QR code. So all you need to do is just scan this QR code and you will be directed to either iOS or the Google Play. Okay, the App Store or the Google Play Store. So no need to do that. Let's just search the support app in the Google Play Store. So let's search FitPro. So we have to search FitPro. So it's a very popular app. Okay, so this one, I think, the FitPro app. Let's have the details. As you can see here, it has over 10 million downloads. Okay, let's check out the details here. So 23 MB from Shenzhen, Intelligent Technologies. So there's a lot of issues also here. Okay, well, let's hope that we will install this app smoothly. I guess there's some issues, but with the 10 million plus downloads, maybe they have a new version here. I think November 12, 2020. So we have the latest app here, 1.5.6 version. Okay, so let's try and install the app. So again, this is for the Android platform. Okay, we'll try to install it using the with the iOS platform. Okay, so again, 23.39 MB. Okay, while we are waiting, your Mi M5 Smartband comes with a user manual here in English and Chinese. We have here the magnetic charging cable similar to the Mi Band 5, as you can see here. No need to remove the strap if you want to charge it. It's magnetic. Okay, so let's see if we successfully install the app. Okay, we're still waiting. Again, for the M5, we have a full color screen here. Touch button key. It doesn't have a touch screen, unlike the Mi Band 5 that it has a touch screen as well as a touch button key. So menus are heart rate, sports, message, sleep, weather, music here, and we have other functions here, camera, anti-loss theme, and set. Okay, so let's see. Okay, going back to the support app, we have the FitPro app. Okay, let's activate the Bluetooth here. Okay, we have the FitPro app. Okay, we'll show you a step-by-step process on how to connect it to the M5. Okay, open. So we'll wait. All smartwatch support app and smartband support app always ask for permissions first. So allow FitPro to access photos, media, okay. Allow FitPro to access this device location, of course. If you are not comfortable with the permissions, you can set it off later on the settings of the support app. So we have here the device. So we already opened the app. Let's see if we can add a device here. So it is asking for a login. For the meantime, we're not going to set it up. Let's go here. Bind device to experience more features. So it is disconnected. Let's see. So it has detected a lot of smartwatches here. We have the Smartband 4, Mi Smartband 4, Vibe 3 4. Let's see. Okay, so we have here the M5. Okay, so is it our M5? So let's check. We have to go here to the more settings here. We'll see if they have the same number. So we have here CF10, okay, 3F22. So that's it. So this is our M5. So tap and we'll see if it is connecting. So it's trying to connect to the support app. We have Bluetooth based connection completed. Okay, time setting completed, and synchronized data is complete. That's it. We'll see. So the time here, it is automatically updated. So let's check. Let's try this one. Okay, so seems like it is working. Okay, let's see if the anti-loss is working also here. Smartband. Okay, did you hear that? So let's see. There's the steps here. Health rating. Let's go for the message notifications here. Push. So maybe it will ask for permissions. Let's see. Twitter. Okay, notification read permission. Whether to allow open. Open. Okay, so as I said before, it asks for notifications. So let the FitPro access your notifications. So allow notification access for FitPro. FitPro will be able to read all notifications including personal information such as contact names and text messages. Okay, so go back. So let's activate here the call reminder. Allow. So committing SMS, we also allow it. And for the messenger here, we have here, so Facebook. Okay, so what else do we have here? Dial settings. Let's check. So we check it before. We have at least how many watch faces here? Let's see. Okay, team. Okay, so as you can see, we receive an SMS. Okay, so it is in real time. Okay, we have at least 3 watch faces here. Again, let's go back to the more settings. Theme 1 2 3. Okay, here on the watch face, we have here the default. Again, let's try to check it and change. Okay, I'm just going to show you an example here, but more on this on our next video, especially for the notifications on calls and messaging. Okay, so we have here several watch faces. Let's try and change it. I'm going to pick this one, very feminine, simple but beautiful. This one with the flower here. So options here, let's pick here on the bottom part. Okay, and let's synchronize dial. Let's see if we'll receive it and it will be loaded. Okay, so it is loaded to our Smartband. Okay, right away, very fast connection here. So it is upgrading. Let's see if we will successfully change it. Update success. Okay, so that's it. So far we managed to change the watch face here. Again, so that's it. The features of the FitPro app with our M5 Smart Band. Okay, so we have here alarm, sedentary reminder also here. We also have, let's turn it on. And we have other settings here. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Smart Band, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Again, watch out for our second video for or third video for notifications. Let's see if how the M5 receive notifications on calls, SMS messages, social apps, and we'll have more on the alarms and the watch faces for the M5 Smart Band. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.